Hi, I'm Jonathan Diaz, your dialysis dietitian. Now, if you're here and you're new on my channel, welcome. And for those who have been here and they know my recipes, you know what I got, and it's good. And today I'm gonna make this dialysis-friendly Nopales salad, which is cactus salad. Let's get cooking. First things first, we're gonna boil our cactus. So before boiling it, you're gonna add the half a teaspoon MSG, then bring it to a boil. And once it's boiling, lower it to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. And now while that is cooking on the side, we're gonna prepare our jalapenos. We're gonna take out the core and the seeds so it's not as spicy. If you like it spicy, keep it in there. So dice everything up and we're gonna set it to the side. And of course, this is definitely edited. I don't chop that fast. Oh. Definitely don't do what I just did. Obviously, I think I'm the only person in this world that would touch their eye after touching jalapenos or anything spicy. Now that my eyes are feeling better, we're gonna continue. With the nopales or the cactus, make sure you wash it super thoroughly because if you don't, it will be slimy. In my video, I kept it a little slimy because I do like it slimy. If not, wash it thoroughly. Now, for the rest of the vegetables, we're gonna dice them up. So for the onions, the bell peppers, dice them up real good. And of course, yes, the cilantro as well, you wash it up and pat dry it. And once all this is prepared, we're gonna mix it all together in the bowl and we're gonna add our lime and our MSG, and that's it. And you can add as much lime as you want and other seasonings you prefer, but that's it, we're keeping it simple. So the salad can accompany any of your favorite dishes. So try it out, it's refreshing, it's cooling, and has lots of fiber, low potassium, low phosphorus, and low sodium. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. See you next time.